Oh God. You guys are getting me wet.
Yeah, well, I didn't get us on the tree.
Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm on a beautiful island with my friend Todd, and we will be island camping tonight, planning on catching some fish and doing a catch and cook, having a beautiful fire. We just pulled up and we're gonna, first thing first, is set up camp and then get everything kind of situated, make it as homey as possible for the night, just kind of see how things go. I haven't island camped in probably 7 or 8 months. Long overdue. This is one of my favorite types of camping, so I'm super excited right now. Come along with, and let's do some island camping.
Island boy.
My favorite type of camping and my favorite way to camp. This is my brand new hammock. I actually lost my OG hammock. I don't know if many of you guys will even remember, but that was like my pride and joy. Lost it, haven't been able to find it this entire summer. Purchased this one about a week ago. Haven't even taken it out of its little sack and checked it out. So yeah, it could suck. I had decent reviews, so this is a new shelter home for the night. Hopefully it goes well. I'm trying to pick the 2 trees that I want.
We can do just like that. Boom, boom.
Oh, share that tree?
Yeah.
But then I'm over the fire pit.
Yeah, I did not see that.
Welcome to camp. We got Todd right there. We got me right there. Are you guys? Hold on. Hold on. Good? As I was saying, we got firewood, check. And we just rigged up 3 rods, or 2.5 rods. I'll explain that in a minute, why that one might not be a full rod. We're gonna go fishing in the canoe. I know it would be cool to catch fish off the island, which we obviously will do eventually. But while we have some sunlight, I think it'll be a lot of fun to try catching some fish. The goal is to catch fish that we can obviously cook up on the fire. I did bring an alternative dinner for us, but it would be really nice to also do a little bit of a catch and cook, because I ate fish here the last time I camped here, which I didn't film a video. It was delicious. So let's see what we can go make happen. Let's hop in the canoe, hopefully catch some fish. But look how cute. Come on. We got, it's like a little, I don't know. It looks cozy, okay? The last time I fished with night crawlers was forever ago, and I'm so excited right now. We needed like guarantee, like, hey, we're gonna catch fish. So this is definitely the way to catch fish. Just night crawler and a little ice fishing jig. Oh God. Do we know how to fish? Todd and I are not doing hot, folks.
Oh.
Oh! No, we're doing great. Oh, I just got nailed. I just got nailed. Oh. There we go. Oh, right over my line.
Yeah?
Is it a good one?
Yep,
Oh,
that's an eater.
That's an eater all day, son.
It's an eater.
I don't know why I just said that. Son? I don't know. Something came over me. It was the excitement.
What's up?
Dinner, pumpkin dinner, winner. There we go.
Oh, nice. Oh, that's a bass.
No, it's a gill.
It's a nice gill.
It's a giant gill.
Shish kebab.
Do we need 2?
Yeah. Another one?
Giant. We're on fire. These gills are huge. Dude, we're killing it. We're definitely having a little gill fry tonight. No! That would have been so sick.
Dude,
You're gonna get one for sure.
Oh!
That's a baby bass!
I got him, dude. Yes!
Unreal.
Yes, dude. On him?
Got one. Dude, these gills fight so hard. Like, that's another giant. What are these gills on? I'm gonna let this one go. Conserve, no need to keep another. Oh, all right, we're back. Time to start this fire. This is some of Todd's stuff. This stuff is insanely flammable, so literally all you need is one.
Those look great, huh?
Oh yeah, those look awesome.
A stick, literally, right through like here
Yeah,
and into the back. And we can just
put them on the fire. That'll be perfect.
put them over the fire.
I caught myself twice. Not once, twice.
Cut yourself?
Twice. I have a first aid kit. Will you grab me my first aid kit and the Yeti?
Is that bad?
It felt deep, but I don't want to look. This one's pretty gnarly. That one's bleeding a lot.
By cutting tomatoes?
Yeah.
Not on the cutting board?
No,
that you
not
have?
even on the, not even cutting the tomatoes. The cutting board's so flimsy. I slipped twice. Oh, that one's. This one I don't think needs a band-aid, but this one, whew. Well, dinner's off to a good start. Tonight we're making campfire nachos, and there's not much on like how to even cook them. So I saw the recipe and the directions aren't really there.
Back it up a little bit.
Some nachos and 3 bluegill. It's not something you see every day, but you know. How's that cheese gonna melt?
I don't know. That's why I said, is it supposed to be covered?
I think so. So what's our game plan?
I don't know.
Do we mix it? I think so. I think so.
You don't mix nachos, dude. You just let it bake. Let it bake. I would let it bake.
You think so?
Yeah, just let it bake.
Todd just left to go get some tin foil out of the van because we're using vegan cheese, obviously. So that already doesn't melt, and we don't have a cover for the campfire nachos. So we're killing it right now. We're really, really killing it. There's a good chance that the fish is gonna taste a million times better, but it's fine. Nonetheless, the best part about camping is delicious food, so I'm pretty excited right now. Todd should be back any minute. We'll cover them up. Things will get better, but I'm just in love with the campsite right now. Like, I'm so happy. I don't think you guys understand. If you've never hammock camped, by the way, you gotta do it. I have no idea. This is like not sponsored. No idea who this company is, but this came with an eye mask that doesn't look like it's an eye mask. It comes with a bug net, a rain fly tarp, and then this is kind of lame, I'm not gonna lie, but it comes with a pillow too, so it legitimately gives you everything you could possibly need to go hammock camping. I don't remember how much I paid for this, but I know it was definitely one of the cheaper options, but also it was like mid-range. I think this one, I got it on sale for $35, which is insane. So yeah, I mean, I'm pretty happy with this setup. I just can't wait to lay in it, but I know if I lay in it, I'm gonna lay all night, so I'm being patient. Psych. It Look, it's just so comfortable. It's so comfortable. This makes you never want to sleep in your own bed ever again. Like at home? No. I don't know who that is. Welcome back.
What's up, man?
What's up? Whoop whoop. There's some meltiness. Avocado, cilantro, and avocado mixture. A little bit of lime.
Oh, yeah.
Bluegill. I'm gonna eat the bluegill first before anything.
Yeah.
That's unreal. And look, those the rib cage just comes
Right off.
right off.
It's all about popcorn.
What? It tastes like popcorn? A win is a win. Home sweet home for the night. It's only maybe 9 o'clock. But we're already kind of getting ready to get in bed. We've been hanging around the campfire. It's been so nice and peaceful. I'm super excited to sleep in a hammock again. It's been one too many months too long, so feels good to be back. It is supposed to get pretty chilly tonight. Not too bad, but I brought fuzzy socks nonetheless because fuzzy socks make everything better. And you know, I just have a really great feeling I'm gonna sleep fantastic tonight. Last night, fun fact, was the best night of sleep I've had in like, I don't know, probably 2 months. I don't know what it was about last night, but I slept so good. So I'm trying to, you know, duplicate that, but in a hammock. So pretty hopeful for that. Super happy with my new purchase. Definitely upgraded from my last hammock, even though that last hammock and I, we went through a lot together, and I had it for a really long time. Todd's hammock's over there. We're gonna be hanging in for the night and sleeping pretty well, hopefully. I love you guys. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. How'd you sleep?
Great. You?
I slept really good. I'm so happy. I woke up once because I really needed to pee, and I fell right back asleep. Anyways, good morning. Oh.
This is a rager. I bet they're right on those weeds. No.
No.
No. Nice.
Oh, I lost my hook.
No. I'm losing the bobber.
The bobber is way more important. I've seen worse fires, so, you know. 3 out of 10. Well, Todd and I are cleaning up right now, kind of getting camped. You know, a little. We want to leave it cleaner than what we came, so we picked up a few things of trash that weren't ours, making sure it literally looks like no one camped here, which is always the goal, no matter where you are. And yeah, Todd's got work, so we have no choice but to leave. But honestly, even if we stayed, we'd probably just be sitting here doing nothing anyways, just soaking it all in, which is fine. But Lila's brother is moving into college today, so we got to move him in. Anyway, so I got stuff to do, but that's not until later. But we're heading out early, packing stuff up, making good timing so far this morning. And I'm not looking forward to putting the canoe back on the truck, because this is one of the heaviest canoes I've ever seen in my life. Should be fun.
Start off as light as possible. I think that's good.
Now it is.
You hit the rock.
Say bye to the island.
Later. Check you later. Check you later.
Worst part about camping? Cleaning up, for sure. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's episode. That was a blast. I just needed like a mental reset, if you will. And I feel like that's exactly what I got. Highly recommend hammock camping. If you're a side sleeper or you sleep on your belly, it might not be the comfiest, maybe side sleeper, but really, if you sleep on your back, then hammock camping is for you for sure. Which I am, and I don't move a lot in my sleep, so hammock camping and I, amazing. My old hammock was 20 bucks. I mean, it's super cheap way to get into camping without buying a tent. If you want one with a bug net, you can find one for 30 bucks. I mean, it is so much cheaper than a tent, so much more convenient, lighter weight. I could go on and on. I love hammock camping. You just can't beat it. And you're off the ground. So it's a win-win in my book. I got a day full of things I need to do, but I had way too much fun on this episode. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Appreciate you guys. I love you guys, and I'll catch you beautiful people on the next one.